is a very light and powerful car. It weighs around 220 kilos for 110 horsepower. In comparison, the power-to-weight ratio is higher than most of the hypercar in the market. But the most amazing part of the car is the torque. This car has an enormous amount of torque that it can deliver at any given speed. Thanks to that, we can achieve an acceleration from 0 to 100 kph in approximately 3.2 seconds. It is fast, but still I'm convinced that we can go a lot faster.
I'm in charge of the aerodynamics division, and our goal is mainly to design, simulate and manufacture all the aerodynamic kit, and I'm also in charge of all the composites in general in the team. The main goal of the aerodynamic devices is to provide downforce to the car, and this allows us to take turns with higher speed. The big challenge is to make these devices as light as possible and reducing also the drag.
Building one car is very tough, and a lot more when you have exams to pass. The biggest challenge for me, I guess, is to be sure that a team of 70 people is going well together, that everything gets done in time for the competitions. The first thing we'll check are all linked to the rules, so we make sure that the ground clearance is nice, that all the aero stuff is in the right place. Then we will make sure that the driver is safe, so we'll check the bolts, everything is screwed to the right torque. And lastly, we will make sure that everything linked to performance is on the right settings, tire pressure, damper settings, torque that we want to meet with the race, talk with the driver, and yeah, things like that.